Hey, good morning guys. Today's Friday, June 18th. I just loaded a van here at the IEA in what's this, Newburgh, New York, off the 84. It's about an hour north of like the New Jersey, Newark, like New York area. So the customer lied, said the car was an operable van. It is an INOP, does not start, does not run, and he told me it was $80 of storage that was there, and he asked me to pay for it. Well, when I got there, it was 300 and something. Not a big deal, but I can tell this customer is just a straight liar, well, this broker. So I'm gonna give him a buzz, let him know what's going on. I'm gonna charge him an extra 150 for the van being INOP, and then you guys will see how that goes. Hello?
Sí?
Yes, I'm the transporter picking up that van for you guys here in New York, going to Miami.
Yes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the van is an INOP. You guys never put that on the work order.
Hold on, my son is calling you now, okay?
Okay. I didn't really understand her, but I think she said her son will call me now. Her English was kind of broken, so I'm assuming her son speaks better English, and then we'll see what happens now. All right, guys, he's calling me right now. I'm about to answer and put it on speaker. Hello?
Yes, sir. This is the customer for the transit van.
Yeah, hey, what's up?
How you doing, sir? Good, thank you for asking.
Good, good. Yeah, so you guys didn't put that the van is an INOP, man. You know you're supposed to do that.
The what?
That the van is an INOP.
It does not drive. It shows that it drives on the ad.
No, it doesn't. They showed me on the paperwork. It shows that it's an INOP.
Either way, I do have to bring it down here.
Okay.
Don't worry about bringing it down here. We'll take care of that.
Yeah, it's an extra 150 for the INOP though.
It's a what?
It's an extra 150 charge for the INOP.
Why is that?
Are you a dealer?
Yes. I know how to bring it down.
No, I know. You're on Central a lot, right?
On Central what?
Are you on Central Dispatch a lot? Like you put a lot of cars on Central? Okay,
yeah,
so you know,
right.
So you know that cars that are INOP are more money, right?
Not necessarily. I've never ever got an extra charge.
So when you put a car that's an INOP, you can ship it just as easy as a car without an INOP.
The thing is, remember the insurance place, what they do is they load it with a forklift, and here I take care of unloading it.
Yeah, but that wasn't what I asked you though. If you had placed this as a INOP, would you have shipped it as easy? Because I wouldn't have picked it up.
I ship cars all the time, man. That's why, you know,
it's
I'm a little bit concerned about that. And in reality, you know, I expected the van to get picked up yesterday. Not to be all technical and stuff. I'd love for the van to be brought with you, you know. That's why I made that for like 10 different people calling for it. And, you know, I went ahead and I went with you because you sounded like the most, you know, honest as far as, you know, being there in time.
I am honest, and I am here on time.
Hopefully we really talked about you being there yesterday, you know, and it's okay, you know, I gotta pay extra fees now. It's an extra day, but come on, man, you know, they're gonna load it up for you there, and I'm gonna unload it here for you. So I think that's pretty fair.
You think that's pretty fair, man? You lied about it being an INOP, dude. I would have never picked this up, and you don't have 10 people calling you, because or else you wouldn't have storage of $400 almost. Which you also lied. I asked you if it was 80. You said it was $80 storage, dude. This car has been sitting here for how long, man? I'm not even. Huh?
That car hasn't been sitting there for too long.
Well, it's $400 of storage. That's not 1 or 2 days, dude. Come on, man. Look, I don't play games, man. I've been doing this for 10 years. I don't pick up INOPs. I don't like doing this. And when it's an INOP, I charge an extra 150. That's how it is. You know, it's part of the rules of Central, man. If it's an INOP, you put it as an INOP. It's very simple, man. I do my job. I'm very fair, very honest. I'm a hard worker. I don't like playing games, man. Like right now, they can't load it on the top of my trailer all the way up. So now I have to go use my winch, which I don't even know if it's working. I think the battery's dead on this, so I gotta go buy a battery for this thing. I have to winch it all the way up. They can't put it all the way on the top of my trailer. It's unsafe. I'll take a picture of it. It's 3 feet back on my trailer. So now I gotta go move this thing all the way up on my own. And then when I get there, it's a pain in the ass to remove it. I know how it is. And that's why there's a charge. That's why it's harder to move an INOP. You guys know this, man. You guys are in the business, so if you guys were a rookie, it was your first time, you know, I'll give you a pass. It's not your first time, you're not a rookie.
Come on, man. You see what's going on as far as me having to pay all those fees. You gotta work with me there, man. That's
yeah, you lied, man. Why would you lie, man? You know if you what?
Online it shows that it's operable.
No, it doesn't, man. I had them take a picture of it, man, because I get this all the time. And I'm not gonna call you out on there or whatever, but a lot of people, they play games. So what I did was I had them take a picture of it saying that it was a stationary vehicle, INOP. So I have it here on my phone. On your on the online listing where you bought it, it says INOP stationary vehicle.
Look, man, if you don't want to pick it up, it's okay, but I'm not gonna pay an extra $150. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's already on my trailer, buddy. I already had to pay the $400 storage.
But come on, man, exactly. You know, if you already have it on you, you know, I'm really not trying to bust your balls, believe me. I'm not that kind of guy.
I'm not trying to bust your balls either, but right now,
that put it on dispatch for me, maybe made a mistake. I was aware that the van was working. If you see, the van doesn't have a lot of damage. So,
it doesn't have a lot of damage. The door is taped up. The transmission is not even. The transmission is not even working. The van is rolling back on its own.
You know, you get surprises, but you know, I guess the person that listed it online there made a mistake. You know, and I do apologize about that.
Oh,
I'm not that kind of guy.
You guys made a mistake. I don't do INOPs, man. I hate doing INOPs. When people hire me to do INOPs, they pay more. And I just hate doing INOPs. I don't like doing it. It's always a headache. It's a pain in the ass. And that's it, man. It's an extra $150 fee. And you know what I mean? Like, if you had placed it as an INOP, I wouldn't have picked it up. I wouldn't be sitting here with this van on my trailer. There was other vans, other things paying more than you for INOPs, and I didn't take them.
Man, you're putting me in a difficult situation. You know, I'm not trying to, like I said, I'm not that kind of guy. Because I can say a million things right now.
Me neither, man. I'm not.
Where that car is located, I don't even know why I brought it up all the way because I brought fans from that area, and that's a low road too. It's not even the long one, it's the tall one. And I paid around that much for a high road, you know, around that area. Normally I pay like $1,200 to bring that van down here. I just put it on that price. If you see the ad, you know, I literally updated it that same morning, and that same morning I got a crap ton of calls. You know, because I brought it up. You know, I don't know the reason what the difference made, but that's, you know, I started getting more.
But that doesn't. I mean, man, what you're telling me is just, it doesn't, like, none of that information matters to me. You know what I mean? Like, I was hired to do a specific job, and then when I get there, it's not what I was hired for. If you had a bunch of people call you, why did I get it and they didn't get before me? What happened to those people? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't matter to me though. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm here. I came to pick up a specific job. You told me it was $80 storage. I get here, it's 300 and something. Like, it just, why the lies? You know what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense to me. But either way, man, it's an INOP. There's an extra fee, man. That's how Central works. You know that's how it works. Between me and you, as two businesses, you know that's how it works, man.
No problem. I'll see you here, and they'll take care of you. Okay? I'll let them know right now.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
So that's what a lot of people are not willing to do. That's is make that call, because it's extra work. You know, it cost me 6 minutes, but yeah, it's an extra 6 minutes that I make an extra 150, and it's fair. I'm not even lying to him either. I'm gonna show you guys. See, that's where they put the van. because they can't, you know, perfectly get it when it's in this angle. And the van did roll back a little bit when you placed it here, which I showed you guys a bunch of times. When you guys are loading a vehicle at Copart, I've seen a bunch of vehicles roll off trailers. So you go up there, you put it in park, pull the handbrake, and that vehicle is in park. That vehicle has the handbrake pulled all the way up, which I did it myself, and it rolled back a little bit, almost hit the van in the back. By the way, I have to move this thing 2 feet up now, and when I get down there, guess what? It's not that simple to get this thing off. They just say, oh yeah, just roll it back. Yeah, if one tire is a little deflated, it won't roll back. You know, on my trailer, for example, when the cars start rolling back, sometimes the car will stop here, the wheel will stop here, sometimes the wheel will stop here. You know, I have these indents, and guess what? Nobody's there to help you. Nobody gives a shit. And if it's an INOP, you can't just roll it off and leave it in the middle of the street, right? Look how long I am. You guys see that I always unload on a turning lane, you know, somewhere that's easier for me to unload. While with an INOP, I'm gonna unload this thing, it's gonna be in the middle of the street, and then now what? So you gotta charge an extra fee for INOP. He didn't put the order that it was an INOP. He didn't put that on there. If you guys know how it works, see right there, it would say INOP. It would be in red somewhere right here. It would just say INOP in red to make it obvious that it's an INOP. So yeah, he didn't say there was an INOP. It's not an INOP here, but there you go, extra 150 bucks. And yes, it created an extra headache for me. So that's how you guys do it. I'm gonna be loading another vehicle on the back of this, and I'm driving down to Florida, and I will post a little picture here of the load. Hey guys, today's Saturday, June 19th, and right now I'm in South Carolina filling up. So this one here paid $1,650, this one paid $1,400, and this van paid also $1,650. So the total is $4,700, and it's about 1,300 miles. So it came out to, I think, $361 a mile. Oh, and the vehicle in the back, that blue one, that blue van in the back, I charge $150 extra on that one too, because the van is packed to the top, packed all the way up. So yeah, so there you go, an extra 300 bucks on 2 vehicles. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.